Hey YouTube, so today Nick and I are going to do the teardown on the small block for the 31 that we bought. I bought on Saturday. We went down and picked up the 31 Plymouth. Got this engine with it. It's a 350 small block, rollerized. So we're just going to tear it down, check it out. We're going to throw fresh gaskets at it, clean everything up really nice. I couldn't get any better. Drinking a Budweiser, putting together a Chevy small block. Couldn't ask for anything better than that. Hi YouTube. This time again I'm working by myself, but I'm working on 31. Got the engine in, got it all back together, got painted, got an intake on that I was given. So now I'm got it bolted up to the transmission too. So I'm currently in the process of making a transmission cross member. So then after I'm done that, I'm going to take the body off and I'm going to box the frame. I've been working on making this. It's the transmission cross member. I got it all mocked up. Everything's tacked up. I had a laser level and an angle finder so my driveline angles are correct, and just going to do the final welding up and so that's all welded up. One more thing I'm going to do is put caps on all this, kind of grind it all up, get it all painted, make it look good, but for now it does the trick until I get these pieces cut out. So yeah, shaping up. Hi YouTube. We're doing the frame boxing, making templates, making forward progress, but backward progress.
This is the first time I've seen the car. Hi, I'm here.
Almost done boxing the frame. Like 7 more welds, 8 more welds maybe over here. This one, ignore the really ugly one.
It's fine.
Edit the ugly one out.
Edit. This side's done.
It added a lot of rigidity. You used to be able to push on this corner, and this corner was the only thing that moved.
Yeah, now the whole thing. Then there's the big ass trans mount that'll go there, and then one more brace here, and this thing's gonna be solid. Be solid than both of our unibody cars.
Yeah. Got the engine in the car yesterday, body on it. I built some floor panels. I'm working on that. Realized we're gonna need new front coils because these ones are obviously way too soft.
There's no adjustment left in them.
I probably could adjust them a bit, but I think it'll still slide them right out.
There's Lane's floor. Look at that. Too bad you didn't convince your dad to buy that like a while ago.
I know, this would have been a game changer for one. So the floor's done.
Go away again.
Shut up, Floors are welded in. I got these seats for free out of a, I don't know, like an old van, old Chevy van. So we hacked the bottoms off of them. We're gonna make brackets for them to sit in here.
Two of us fit in here pretty good, actually.
Maybe the shifter in here somewhere.
Just get nice and close with your friend.
Yep, some old guy's gonna like it.
Better. Your dad's gonna fall in love with it and want to keep it.
I don't know.
Let's sell it. Not till it does like a big smoky burnout and he's like, I won't keep it.
Only problem is it's one legger.
Whatever.
This is not the steering wheel actually going in this.
No, because it kind of sucks.
But
I'm into it. This is comfortable. What a look.
what a view.
Yeah, that's a view and a half. What a view.
Needs a blower. Mary,
Whoa.
the budget just got a little bigger.
Yeah, it sucks to be you, man. Good thing you're working.
Ending episode this time?
Whatever you want, man.
Okay, well, here. All right. So, today, seats were in, floor is done. It's a really crappy light in here, so I know it's hard to see. I got a big parts list going, so I'm picking up wiring harness, bolts, miscellaneous stuff that I need. I still got to build a shifter of some sort. So I'm gonna pick that stuff up. I'm gonna pick up everything to plumb the brakes, everything to wire the car. So the next time we film on this thing should be like in go mode to try and get this one running. Then we built the, yeah, that was today. It's a mess in here. I gotta clean the shop. So see you next time.
Love you, bye.